What's going on, YouTube? We got this Regal here. I just went all the way around the whole entire car with 180. I just blocked everything out. Everything seemed to be fine. We got a high right here. We got a small little dent right up in here. The trunk is got a lot of rust pivots, so can't really tell about what's on the trunk. So I'm a 2K prime it and guide coat and block it. But everything on this side blocked out fine. The interior is already done. So I think it's like just a little bit of dimple on this bodywork, so I'm gonna re-swipe this, and that's it. So then we be going over it with 180 on the DA and the interface pad just to get everything else nice and smooth. Then we're gonna block it wet, then we're gonna seal it, then we're gonna paint it. So all right, stay tuned to the next clip. All right, YouTube, we back on the Regal. We found some few more dents and we had to fix other stuff. We had to go back and swipe this. It wasn't right. As y'all can see, we done already 2K primed it and blocked it. The roof came out pretty good. We 2K primed the trunk, blocked it. We found some hot spots here. We found two more hot spots right here. Everything else pretty much blocked out pretty good. So now we're going to tape it up tomorrow and 2K prime it. This whole entire quarter was effed up. It wasn't right at all. So we had to sand all of that stuff back down and start over. So well, so far, man, I think it's ready now. I think we're ready to ride now. So what we're gonna do is continue blocking this, but we're going to 2K prime the trunk, 2K prime that quarter, and 2K prime this fender, and we'll be ready to tape up for paint. So all right, YouTube. Also tomorrow I'm going to be spraying the sample color so the customer can come out and pick the color. We're going with a forest green metallic. It's an older color, came in the 1960s, 1970s. I think the late 60s, early 70s is when it came out. But I'm gonna add a little twist to it. I'm gonna put a gold pearl. So I'm actually gonna do one without a pearl and one with the pearl to see if you like it. So that's tomorrow. So all right, YouTube, stay tuned. Tomorrow we're going to be priming and painting the samples and then go from there. So see y'all in the next clip. What's up, YouTube? We back on the Regal. All right, we done went over all the body work, pretty much got everything feeling right. Only thing we got to do now is untape it, pull it outside, 600 down, wet sand it down, block it, wet sand it down, let it dry, put it in the booth, and we should be taping it later on this evening. We're going to prime this truck first, and then we're going to be shooting this one tonight. So just giving you guys a walk around. So, well, I think I'm lying. I don't think, let me see. Yeah, he hasn't 320 this side yet. So he still needs the 320 this side. Then we will, yeah, because these primer spots have not been hit yet. Yeah, so, well, this one's been hit. Yeah, so he must just need to do that fender. Maybe that's what he got to do. Maybe that fender. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm gonna find out whatever he's got to do, and then it'll be taped up, and then it'll be put in the booth, and then it'll be shot. So I'll see you guys in the next clip on this one. What's going on, YouTube? I had to stop because I wanted to get this on film. We ended up changing the color because whoever did his body work left a lot of flaws and a lot of imperfections. So we went with a color that will show less imperfections, and that was white. Everything that we could see, we ended up going back and fixing. It was a lot more than this, but I had already started painting it white, which I should have got a before video. But to give you guys an idea, what was all messed up was all of this primer you see all the way down here. See right up in here. And more body work, more primer across here. And more body work, primer on the door. It was basically all over the car. You had imperfections, you had body work that was on top of here. All across here was messed up. From here, that was messed up. Pretty much got what I could see, but I didn't want to take a chance on painting it back green. And then we started to see more, and the customer didn't want to strip it to the metal to do it the right way. Like another thing I just caught, see right here, whoever who did his body work bundled this together. So, you know, when the car got painted, I called the customer up here and I pretty much explained to him, you know, what I didn't like about it, and I didn't want the car to leave on my name. I suggested that we strip the car to the metal. He didn't want to pay for that. So, you know, he said that he really would like to just fix what we could see and shoot it white. So, all right, YouTube. That's that on that. So what I'm finna do is I'm finna take this thing off and finna start back shooting. So see you guys once I get the rest of the white on and then a pearl. We are doing a pearl white, but we're doing a white with a gold pearl, eggshell white with a gold pearl. The same gold pearl I put in this green is what we're gonna put in the eggshell white. So it still should look good. So, all right, let me get through shooting this thing and come back when I get done. I do know that's the back lip, but I don't feel like rolling it to the back. So I know somebody that come and be like, man, you putting the back lip on the front. Yeah, I know. Yeah. stick. Yeah, I know. All right, YouTube. Look at the headlight bezels. We got those painted. The customer wants to do those white. So, and the trim, the trunk piece, the piece to go above the trunk. So got it shot. So gonna throw these on and do, like I said, wait on what the customer make his decision on what we're gonna do about the back wheels. Change out the front studs and finish it on up and get it back to his home. So, all right, YouTube. See you guys in the next clip.